Okay, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how you can easily buy domain name in Nigeria. Alright, if you are viewing this tutorial outside of Nigeria, it still follow the same process. Just pay attention to understand what I'm doing. Alright, before we start, for people that don't know, what is a domain name? A domain name is basically the strings of text that you type in a web browser to take you to any given website. An example is facebook.com. Another example is google.com. You see, so anytime you want to visit a website, the text or the strings of text that you type in the web browser, in the address bar, to take you to that website, that is what we call domain name. Alright, you can also call it URL, that is Universal Resource Locator. Yeah, when it's joined with some other strings. Okay, so in building any website, domain name is very important. In fact, that is one of the first things that you do. You must register a domain name where your website will sit on before you start building a website, except if you are building on local server. Okay, without much ado, let's dive into it. Alright, so what's the first thing you do before you buy a domain name? You visit a domain registrar company's website. There are a whole lot of them on the internet. But for the purpose of this training, I am using smartweb.com.ng. Over 5 years or 10 years thereabout, I started designing websites. This is what I've been using, and I found that their service very good. Okay, to make it easy for you, I will drop a link under this video so that you can easily click on it and it will take you to their website. Alright, so when you get to this place, you will scroll down, you say find your perfect domain name. Yeah, so this place now, let me draw it for you so that you see it. This place now is where you enter the domain name that you want to buy. That's where you enter the domain name that you want to buy. So, for instance, let's say I want to buy realgrace.com. Yeah, you type it here and you click on search. Before we go ahead, let me also explain what this is. You can see down here, you can see there is .com, there is .com.ng, there is .ng, .org.biz, .online, and so many others. All these .com.ng, they are called domain extension or third level domain. You see, so there are things that differentiate one domain from the other. Some are for commercial purposes, just like .com. .com is for commercial purposes, though anyone can use it now. But when it first starts, the essence of .com is for only commercial purposes. Alright, so we also have country-specific domain, just like .ng, just like .uk, just like .car. All these ones are country-specific domain. You see, yeah. So first of all, determine the domain extension that you want to use. You want to use .car, you want to use .org, you want to use .com, depending on the purpose of your website. So, assuming that this is what I want to use, realgrace.com, I'll type it here and click on search. allow it to load to determine if your choosing domain is available. Okay, it's just searching. Okay, as you can see, ericchris.com is unavailable. What is actually means that maybe somebody else have registered the domain. So what can you do if this is what you must use? What can you do to make it available? You can choose to maybe add the ericchris and you search for it again. Let's see if this one is available. Okay, the ericchris is also not available. You see, so you look for another domain. For the purpose of this teaching, let's just use random domain to get what we want so that this video will not be long. This is also not available. What else can I use? Search. Okay, say congratulations, this.com is available and the price is 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira for those that are in Nigeria. Okay, so don't mind this, just use it randomly to get what you want to get to. So what do you do next? You click on add to cart. Click on add to cart to proceed, and after that it will turn to checkout. Click on checkout. Alright, so if you look at this place now, this your domain and the registration is for 1 year period, and this is hosting. You say no hosting, click to add hosting. You see it now. So this, if you click here now, you add hosting and you add hosting to what you want to buy. Remember, you only added domain name. Okay, but for the purpose of this training, we are just doing domain name. So we ignore this. I'll just come down here. And you can choose to select any of these depending on your preferences. This is DNS management. This is ID protection. As you can see, this one is free for 1 year, while this one is 6,000 for 1 year. So make sure you check out these things before you select any of them, so that it will not affect your budget. Okay, you scroll down here, you see the name servers. We leave this one and we will come back to it later. Alright, you just click on continue. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so come to your right hand here, you will see checkout. The total money you are going to pay is 21,500. There are other charges, that is in VAT, that was added to it. Alright, if you are okay with that, you just click on checkout. Alright, so the next thing is to fill in your information, your name, your email address, your last name, your company address. You fill out all these things with your information. Okay, I also add that if you are building your website for a client and you don't want your name to be used to register, you can use any random name to register. Alright, you can use any random name to register so that your name will not appear in the who is registrar. Okay, that's by the way. You fill everything here, your address, your phone number, and after you must have filled it, the next thing you do is you scroll down and select your payment method: Paystack, bank deposit, Flutterwave. For me, I normally use Paystack. It works very well for me. Okay, so for us to proceed, let's let's quickly, or let me just log in so that I'll show you how things work out. Because I already have an account, I'll just click on my account and the login. Okay, so that is it. As I've logged in, it brought me to this place. So if you don't have an account, just go ahead and fill up those informations, click on next, and it will bring you to this place. Select pay stack, select this terms of service, and click on complete order. Just allow it to load. Okay, so it has generated an invoice for you. It has generated an invoice for you. So this is the last step. So what do you do from here? Just click on pay now. Alright, let me click on it and show you how it works. So this is pay stack. You can choose to pay with your card. You can choose to use transfer. You can choose to use USSD and all the options they have here. Normally I use card because I trust the site. I know that it's secure. I don't always use card for instant processing. So here you add your number, your card number, the log number in the front of your card. You add it here. Add the expiry date, the month and the year, and add your CCV, the 3 number at the back of your ATM card. Okay, so if you do that and you click on pay now, it's going to ask you to enter the 4 digits code of your card, your card pin. Will add it. After adding it, you click on next. It will now send an authentication to your phone number, your registered phone number, an OTP to confirm that you are the one that is doing the transaction. So you open your message, you copy the number, and you paste in the OTP and you proceed. And that's all. Your domain name or domain information will be sent to your email. Alright, so with that, you have purchased your domain name. The next thing that you're supposed to do is to do what? You set up your name servers. Alright, I will do another video to show you how to set it up. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more. See you in the next one.